Hello, welcome back to the World of Katrina, and today I am making some baby shower decor. I am going to make a decorative frame for the guests to see when they come into the baby shower. Everything that I'm using today is from Dollar Tree. So I have a frame, 5x7 frame with this nice silver trimming. The colors for the baby shower is going to be silver, pink, and white. I have some baby booties and stickers. I'm using a pair of scissors, and I have a pink piece of construction paper, which will be the background inside of the frame. I had a hard time finding silver letters to use, so what I'm going to do instead, I'm going to improvise. I have some silver metallic spray. I'm going to take the letters that I need. I'm going to do a quick spray, let them dry for about 30 minutes. The spray dries really fast. And then I'm going to put everything together so that you all can see. I will put down in the link where I got the inspiration from off of Pinterest so that you all can see and get an idea of what I'm doing. And then I put my own little twist on it. So I'm going to go ahead and spray paint these letters, get everything put together, and then we'll see the finished product soon.